In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free tier Windows VPS on Oracle Cloud and deploy Clawdbot. We'll go from spinning up the server to preparing it for your bot, all in a clear and safe way. Start by signing into your Oracle Cloud account. On the console, open the main menu and navigate to Compute, then Instances. Click Create Instance to begin. Give your instance a clear name. I'll use Clawdbot VPS so it's easy to recognize later. For the operating system, click Change Image and select Windows Server, either 2019 or 2022. Both work well for this setup. For the shape, choose vm.standard.e2.1.micro, which is part of the free tier for many regions. Leave the networking settings at their defaults unless you have a specific VCN setup. Before you create the instance, enable the option to create an administrator password. Have the console generate it, then copy and securely save it. Treat this like a secret. Do not share it publicly. When you're ready, click Create and wait for the instance to finish provisioning. You'll see its status change to running. That's your cue to continue. Open the instance details and copy the public IP address. This is what you'll use to connect remotely. On your local Windows machine, press Windows plus R, type MSTSC, and press Enter to open Remote Desktop Connection. Paste the public IP into the computer field. Use Administrator as the username, and paste the password you saved earlier. Click Connect and confirm any prompts to establish the session. Once you're on the VPS desktop, install the runtime tools you need. Download and install Node.js, LTS from node.org, and install Git from gitscm.com. After both are installed, restart the VPS to ensure everything initializes correctly. Back on the VPS, open Command Prompt. If you're using Git, clone your project by running a git clone command with your repository link. If Git isn't an option for you, you can upload your files manually using a service like Cloud Storage or a file upload in your communication platform. With the files in place, open Command Prompt and navigate into your bots folder, for example by running cd Clawdbot. Install the project dependencies with npm install and wait for it to complete. Finally, open your configuration file, either .env or config.json, depending on your project. Paste your Discord bot token into the appropriate field, save the file, and keep that token private. Your VPS and environment are now prepared for Clawdbot to run.